Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use grids in Canva. If you don't know what is Canva, it's an online website where you can design your content very professionally. You can make Instagram posts and even t-shirt logos and all kinds of things. Anyway, let's jump into the grids. So I'm going to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, and then here you have a whole bunch of option, but we are going to use clear one. So anyway, here, and this is where you're working, and then here on the side you can upload. You have elements, text, styles, audio, and background. And we're gonna go to the elements, and then scroll down. We have photos, videos, and charts and frames, and here are the grids. So I'm going to you have choices in here. How do you want to get divided by? I am going to choose maybe 4 or 5. 4, maybe 5. This one. So you can fix the spacing. I think I want it to a little bit thicker. Alright, and then the background, you can change it to different color, maybe brown, and then the space is going to be brown. But I think it looks better actually white, but you have that option to change. So now let's put some pattern. You just pull it and put it jump right into. And then here is this other one, and then I wanna put patterns in. Let's try what? Okay, here is another one. Here is another one. And let's choose this one. So if you want to change this because you want a little bit position it, you can do that by clicking on it and pull it, and the dog is going to show a little bit more. Here too I want to show the dog like that, so you can position it. And let's see this one. There is another dog. Perfect, I love it. Okay, so we have the grid. Another way people do it is for photo collage. So if you do it for yourself, maybe I think this one looks nice. Let's try this one, and then you can upload your photos. So another way to do it is you put family photos, and then maybe you want to make your own collage. Here you go, something like this. Let's see. Maybe this one and another one. Here you go. So there you have your photo collage. I think it looks fabulous. And then you can try on Instagram post is very popular. The grid style. So again, we just choose the size, which is 1080 pixel. So let's grab those grids. I'm going to choose this one. Again, the spacing a little bit thicker. And then how about plants? I'm going to choose. These are very popular for Instagram post. You can create a very beautiful post for yourself by using Canva. Here and another one. Maybe this one. Okay, I don't know, maybe this one could be changed differently. Maybe this one. So there you go, you have a beautiful Instagram post. You can use this grid for so many ways. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Bye.